time emotion. You cut me off my guard the other day, thinking about the words I want to say. I never like surprises anymore. Seeing things much different than before.
Just getting by, I'm riding around town, couple California boys with a California sound.